Alright, what is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Kyle Simon, and today we got Ben's 1965 Mustang. Let's go ahead and go over some specs and check this thing out. Let's go ahead and pop this hood open and start with the engine. Alright guys, so under the hood of this car here, we got a built 289 with a 4-barrel carb. It's got a mild cam on it, and we actually don't know how much horsepower it's pushing, but sure is fast. Alright guys, so in here we got a 4-speed manual transmission with 380 gears in the back. It's also got a limited slip differential and it revs up to about 6 grand, so if you want to smoke them tires, you sure can. Alright guys, so big thing about car reviews is everyone likes to talk about the trunk space, so let's go ahead and check this out right here. So as you guys can probably see, there's quite an amount of space back here. I'm sure you could fit a couple bodies, but why don't we go ahead and test that out? Oh yeah, I think it's pretty good back here, boys. Ben? Wow, that was... Oh. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be back there. Also, if you're at the gas station checking each side of the car to fill up gas, you're probably checking in the wrong area because it's back on here. What the...
A few moments later.
So recently this vehicle just got rewired completely, so let's go ahead up front and check that out. Alright, so as you guys can see, everything looks nice and tidy here for a do-it-yourself job. Let's go ahead and go over all the functions of this vehicle. So right over here we got the window wipers, and over here we got the lights, and if you pull this, it actually turns on the interior and exterior lights. So this is actually a little secret here. Most people don't really know about this, but if you're trying to high beam somebody, right down there. Alright, so thanks to Ben here, we got the keys to this 1965 Mustang, so let's go ahead and go for a drive. Alright guys, huge shout out to Ben for bringing out the 65 Mustang today and getting rowdy with us. If you guys want to check out his channel, I'm going to link it down below. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Whoop!